There's a bunch of stuff. Okay, guys, look at the sky. It's foggy.
You know how to get,
it's sort of foggy. Look at my motor scooter.
You know something pretty cool?
What? This is my new friend. Hello. I hear a car.
You know, a pretty good idea.
What?
Do a YouTube review, or like not like how to.
Wait, what is that?
This guy sawing something.
Cool.
It's like what my dad did.
Now watch this. Now I'm over here. Oh, I didn't realize that the flash was on. Okay. I'm gonna look for stuff in these bushes. There's nothing in here. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna go put this on YouTube now. Bye.